Hey, Motorman here, and today we're going to give you a long-term review of the CCRIDER seats, and I'm going to give you my tip of the week. But let's start with that tip of the week. All right, this is going to be a U-turn from a stop from the full lock position. It is an advanced exercise. If you're not good at the clutch and throttle, the friction zone, don't even think about trying this. But if you're advanced, you should be able to do this maybe 2 or 3 tries. You should get it on the 2nd or 3rd try. So the drill is you're going to turn the handlebars full lock. You're going to turn your head and eyes and look over your shoulder as far back that way as possible until the turn is completed. You want to get the bike started, get it into the friction zone, put a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. When you feel that motorcycle being held back slightly by the rear brake, then it's time to make the turn. That's the way it's done. Head and eyes, friction zone, little pressure on the rear brake. All right, this is the 2-up seat. They sent me this seat for review, if you remember watching my videos a few months back, and it was so comfortable and it looked so good and is such high quality that I was just amazed by it. And I said, well, maybe they sent me a ringer. You know, that could happen. So I went and I bought another seat, just went on their website, picked out a totally different seat, and it was only $110. That was the least expensive seat they had. And again, by looking at it, I could not believe the price and how comfortable it was. I'll show you that seat also. And this is the 2-piece seat. It could be used, of course, as a solo or with the pillion pad. And I also got the backrest, which is nothing short of wonderful. Now, on each of these motorcycles, I've done about 1,000 miles with this seat, 1,000 miles with that seat, and I could not believe the comfort and the quality of the seat. Once again, just amazed, because if there's many seats and usually you're going to go for $500, I think Corbin seats are like $3,000. Now, I'm exaggerating, but they're really expensive. And to me, it's like sitting on a board. You may like the Corbin seat, and that's why everybody's butt is different. But this seat works great for me. After putting 1,000 miles on it, it shows absolutely no wear. And I also got these lid covers. These not only look really good, but when you get on and off the bike, you don't have to worry about kicking the bags and scuffing them. This backrest is also adjustable. You can move it about 2 inches forward or 2 inches back, and there's a little set screw that holds it in that position. This is ultimate comfort. I mean, I rode to Daytona on this bike with this backrest on it, and it was like sitting in your lounge chair at home. Just wonderful. I think the bike, of course, looks best without the pillion pad. I'll show you what it looks like without this and without the pillion pad on it, because looks mean a lot to people. And here it is, of course, without the pillion pad or the backrest. Perfect for around town, cruising to your local bike night. And CCRIDER has so many different options and colors that you can pick. It's really amazing for the money. And it's not just Harley Davidson, but they have seats for Indian motorcycles, Kawasaki, Yamaha, BMW, you name it, and they've got it. Right there. All right, here's the drill. First, and this is going to be a full lock turn right into it, from a dead stop into a U-turn. I know I've done this before, but we've always had some kind of, I don't know, sound problem. So hopefully it doesn't happen here, and you can see and hear exactly what I'm doing. So to do this correctly, and like I said, it's an advanced. Boy, you're distracted me, honey, moving around. What's going on?
I'm trying to show them now you're going to be turning your handlebars and doing whatever you do, unless you just want me to stand here like a zombie.
I just don't know why you're moving. Was something happening behind me?
No, go ahead.